Haze growing a little thicker this afternoon and evening, and that's the direction we're going to go into your Thursday tomorrow. Taking a Fox 5 Henderson camera overlooking the Las Vegas Valley right now. I can see the haze growing a little thicker. You can still see the skyline, so it's nothing like we saw last Saturday. But I do want to show you a future track looking at that wildfire smoke. The colors of orange you see, that's where the smoke is, and it's moving south as we head into tonight. And it will be staying over us tomorrow. Now, the difference with the setup for tomorrow compared to what we saw on Saturday, a lot of this smoke looks to stay aloft above the surface, upstairs in the atmosphere. So that being said, it's going to be hazy. You're going to notice the difference outside tomorrow, and then we'll start to thin things out a little bit. It looks like on Friday into the start of the weekend. But looking at air quality, right now we're in the moderate category. It was at green during the 4 and 5 o'clock newscast, now in the moderate category. But we look to stay in the good to moderate range even tomorrow as well. That's the latest forecast coming down. We'll, of course, be monitoring that. It's not out of the question. We may see this go into the orange, which is unhealthy for sensitive groups. So good idea if you have respiratory problems, a good idea to limit the outdoor activities tomorrow because we are looking at some more of that haze coming on in, even if it's mainly above the surface. Keeping an eye on this shower right here, coming in just to the north of Indian Springs. It is starting to move over Highway 95. So as you pass Indian Springs, running into a thunderstorm there, but otherwise things pretty quiet. We were tracking some stronger thunderstorms around Lincoln County during the 4 o'clock newscast. A couple showers still going over the Sheep Range. Looking to steer clear of the Las Vegas Valley into tonight. We'll show you a future track. Once the sun goes down, those showers and storms will begin to fade up to our north. And then as we go into tomorrow, we're looking to see some activity still once again blossoming in the afternoon and evening. But much like today, mainly favored over the mountains and outside the Las Vegas Valley. So storm chances on the slight category as we head into Thursday tomorrow. You'll notice that haze, though, out there. Here's a live look toward Allegiant Stadium on this Wednesday evening. 100 degrees at McCarran, 98 Henderson. We're at 100 North Las Vegas with Pahrump checking in at 101. 95 degrees in Boulder City. And I want to show you these numbers right here. These are the dew point temperatures, really the best indication of how much moisture is in the air. General rule, if you're looking at weather observations, when dew points are in the 50s, you begin to feel some of that humidity. When they get above 60, it starts to feel muggy. So for the next few days, it's going to be in the slightly humid category. And then as we head towards Sunday and early next week, getting muggier early next week. We're going to be seeing some more of that moisture come on in here, and that will coincide with some better storm chances early next week as well. So for tonight, pretty smooth sailing in the 90s and upper 80s. Little moisture in the air. You can feel that stickiness a bit. 82 for the morning start tomorrow in Las Vegas. 85 for Laughlin, and then tomorrow afternoon, on our way to the triple digits again, 102 by 3 o'clock. I've got our forecast high at 104 tomorrow. 105 degrees in Laughlin. So a lot of thunderstorms off to our east. We'll begin to see more of that moisture push in as we do head into early next week. So slight shower and storm chances tomorrow, mainly favoring the mountains at 104. Mountain storms do continue Friday, Saturday, but steering clear of the valley. 107 on Saturday, 106 degrees with a slight storm chance Sunday, then increasing storm chances into early next week with highs in the upper 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's take a look at those storm chances with future track for early next week coming up during the 6:30 half hour.